Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about massive economic achievement for the PTI government in FY 2019-20. A massive economic achievement for PTI government at the economic front. Pakistan's current account deficit, in the first 4 months of the current fiscal year, shrank by a massive 73.5% to $1.5 billion. In a statement, State Bank of Pakistan, SBP, said that the improvement reflected a notable reduction in imports, a modest growth in exports and steady workers' remittances. On account of favorable balance of payment developments, the rupee has appreciated 5.6% since its low in June 2019, read the statement. Since the beginning of the fiscal year, gross reserves have risen by $1.16 billion through November 15 and the SBP has reduced its foreign currency swaps by $1.95 billion through end of October. The report further said that FBR tax collections grew 16.2% during the first 4 months of the fiscal year 2020 as compared to 6.4% during the same period last year. While inflation rose by 1.8% in October 2019, read the statement. Earlier on November 18, advisor to the Prime Minister on Finance Dr. Abdul Hafiz Sheikh had claimed that the current account deficit had shrunk by a massive 63.1% in the first quarter of current fiscal year. Talking to renowned anchorperson in Islamabad, Hafiz Sheikh had said that trade deficit fell by 33.5% during the first quarter of the fiscal year 2019-20. He had noted that exports increased by 3.8% during the period. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. God bless you.